Nikigomano kiria kirathi na mbere kia magavana rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru makiaririria uria megwikira binya ngwataniro eno.
We conducted a thorough analysis of the state of our economy, politics and human security and noted that the people of Kenya are facing times with no immediate end in sight.
Musemanio yo ugitongorio ni Raila Odinga atongoria yani mamenereirie mitaratara iria yabuthikire kithurano-ini kithiru makiuga yeyuritwo ni mabitia na mumirira makyo matiari kuringana na itua ria Mukenya.
The fair allocation of resources to all counties is guaranteed by the Constitution, and we will work with Kenyans to ensure each county receives its fair share.
Vamwe na ugwatongoria ya mugite thirikari ya William Ruto niyoete mwerekera wa kwiribiria makiuga maruru maya meumiritie thutha wa kuona makomicona ale matanyitire maumirira makithurano guoko makioero ikinya ria watho.
It is therefore our demand that for Wafula Chebukati and the other two outgoing IEBC commissioners should immediately proceed to their terminal leave to stop further cannibalization of the commission.
Ugokiria ugwa meranire gutigirira ati marithurimaga mitaratara yothe ya thirikari iria ibana terongoreirio kubinyiriria Mukenya.
We shall robustly confront and oppose all dangerous policies and practices of the Kenya Kwanza regime, including the sinister efforts to introduce GMO food and or seeds, destruction of our environment, including the reintroduction of the discredited shamba system.
Musemanio yo uriokoretwo kithina mbere kwa ibida ria thikũ igĩrĩ ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja yugite egutigirira maundu maria mothe mareko ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni ya maigirira kabiru na kumathurima niguo gutigirira akenya matina thinika. Ngiribotera Inoro TV ndi mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru, njetago Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.